Hi, Anna. How are you today?
Hi, Tom. I'm doing well. Thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. I feel relaxed today.
That's nice. So, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is hobbies.
Oh, I like this topic. Hobbies make life more fun.
I agree. Anna, do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I do. I have a few hobbies that I really enjoy.
That sounds great. What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading. I like reading books in the evening after work.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I like simple novels and short stories. Sometimes I read books in English to practice.
That's a very good hobby. Reading is great for learning new words.
Yes, and it helps me relax. When I read, I feel calm and happy.
I understand that feeling. My favorite hobby is listening to music.
Really? What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music and soft music. I often listen to music when I work or rest.
Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, almost every day. Music helps me feel less stressed.
That's true. Music can change our mood.
Anna, do you have any outdoor hobbies?
Yes, I do. I like walking in the park on weekends.
That sounds healthy. Do you walk alone or with someone?
Usually alone, but sometimes with friends. We talk and enjoy the fresh air.
That's nice. I like cycling, but I don't do it very often
Why not?
because I'm usually busy during the week, but I try to cycle on weekends.
That's okay. Even a little exercise is good.
Yes, I think so. Do you have any hobbies at home?
Yes, I like cooking simple meals at home.
Oh, cooking is a useful hobby. What do you like to cook?
I like cooking pasta, soup, and simple dishes. I don't like cooking very difficult food.
That's understandable. Simple food can be very delicious.
Exactly. What about you? Do you cook?
Sometimes. I usually cook when I have free time.
That's good. Cooking at home can save money.
Yes, and it's healthier too.
Tom, do you think hobbies are important?
Yes, I do. Hobbies help us relax and enjoy life.
I agree. They also help us learn new things.
Before we finish, let's practice some hobby questions.
Good idea. You can ask, what is your favorite hobby?
Or you can ask, what do you like to do in your free time?
You can answer, I like, or my favorite hobby is.
These sentences are very useful in daily life.
Yes, people often talk about hobbies when they meet.
Thanks for listening to our podcast today.
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
See you next time.
Bye.